Install the BuiltRight rear seat panel. There we go. Got to remove the factory jack, which I still don't have another jack, so I'm gonna have to be finding a spot for this. All right, I got the molly panel all mounted now. Yeah, it's just gonna hold the first aid kit. I got an element extinguisher. I don't know, toilet paper usually goes like right there. Kind of wish it went up higher to mount more stuff. It's kind of a dead area, but it's not that big of a deal. First one's installed. At the bottom out of the compressor, had trouble getting the mounting point here, or getting to the bolts for the mounting point. So I drilled holes. You can see right through. These holes make it so much easier if I can line it up. 'Cause before you had no room, you couldn't do that. It's like Dumb and Dumber when they take the eat the chilies and then in the restaurant. Oh no.
Throw it up.
You might have to rewind it and see.
I'm gonna have to, yes.
There you go. I already fucked up one hole because that's what you do.
It's weight reduction.
Yeah. Put the panels in, ARB mounted. I gotta run the wiring, but we're doing this. Flip it around because as you can tell it's raining.
Good old P&W.
The rails mounted, toolbox, room case. BuiltRight panels are up. Compressor's in. Just a bunch of other random stuff I'm not done yet. One case does it all. Alright, wired it in. Can drill a hole to mount that there. Really still gotta clean up some of this stuff, but it's at least protected, and except for the Ford crap. Alright, now that we got everything installed, try it out. Let's see. I just pop my side door and I just got this plugged in. It's easy. Yep, been pouring rain all day. Wettest day we've had in a while. I mean, there's more to do, but all the big installs are done, so. Wash this thing. All my air up and air down stuff goes in this DACA pouch. Using that for years. Surprised it hasn't broken yet. It's nice because it's waterproof and pretty durable.
Oh yeah, 55 degrees. Hell, 56.
Oh crap. I know we didn't run it for a while, but
5, 6.
it's like it's not igniting.